Claude 3.5 Sonnet just dropped, and let's see how its new feature can help us build a chatbot with Streamlit and Python with an OpenAI Assistant ID. That way we can kind of customize it the way we want. So far this code looks accurate. I do have my interface open up to run the code. I did preset this with my API key. Let's see if this all looks pretty accurate. Yeah, it seems good. All right, Streamlit run app.py, and wow. Hello, make me a tweet for Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And it looks like we're in business. And we can clear the chat history. Well, now we can see the new capability that Claude 3.5 Sonnet has. This is from one prompt. So now just imagine the things we can do working overnight. I think this is pretty amazing to see. Let me know what you think in the comments below.